Ever wished you could ride a Grab car, order food from GrabFood, or send money to friends without worrying about cash or cards? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Grabpay Credit, a game changer in Southeast Asia. Imagine this: you're late for a crucial meeting, famished, and your wallet is mysteriously missing. Panic sets in, right? But what if I told you there's a way to escape this nightmare? Enter Grabpay Credit, your digital lifeline in times of need. Grab, a leading super app in Southeast Asia, offers a wide range of services, from ride-hailing and food delivery to financial services. And at the heart of this ecosystem lies Grabpay, a digital wallet that simplifies your life. But what exactly is Grabpay Credit, and how does it work? Think of Grabpay Credit as your digital credit line within the Grab ecosystem. It's like a revolving credit facility that allows you to make purchases even when your Grabpay balance is low. You can use it for various Grab services, including ride-hailing, seamlessly book a Grab car, Grab bike, or Grab car plus without worrying about cash or card payments. Food delivery, indulge in your favorite dishes from GrabFood without any hassle. GrabMart, order groceries and essentials conveniently. Grab Financial, send money to friends and family instantly. And more. Essentially, Grabpay Credit provides you with the flexibility to enjoy Grab services on credit, making your daily life smoother and more convenient. Getting started with Grabpay Credit is a breeze. Eligibility: you need to be a verified Grabpay user to apply for Grabpay Credit. Application: the application process is usually quick and straightforward within the Grab app. Credit limit: based on your creditworthiness, Grab will assign you a credit limit. Making purchases: use your Grabpay Credit for any eligible Grab service. Repayment: you can repay your Grabpay Credit balance through various methods, such as automatic top-ups: set up automatic top-ups from your linked bank account or card. Manual top-ups: top up your Grabpay balance manually using your bank account, card, or other available methods. Partial repayments: make partial repayments towards your outstanding balance. Grabpay Credit offers flexible repayment options, allowing you to manage your finances effectively. Now, let's talk about the perks of using Grabpay Credit. Convenience: enjoy seamless and cashless transactions across various Grab services. Flexibility: make purchases even when your Grabpay balance is low. Rewards: earn rewards points on your Grabpay Credit spending, which can be redeemed for discounts and other benefits. Exclusive deals: access exclusive deals and promotions available only to Grabpay Credit users. Improved financial management: track your spending and manage your credit effectively through the Grab app. With Grabpay Credit, you can simplify your daily life, enjoy exclusive benefits, and enhance your overall Grab experience. While Grabpay Credit offers numerous advantages, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Credit limit: be mindful of your credit limit and avoid overspending. Interest charges: familiarize yourself with the interest rates and fees associated with Grabpay Credit. Repayment schedule: adhere to your repayment schedule to avoid late payment fees and potential damage to your credit score. Responsible credit usage ensures a positive experience with Grabpay Credit. Grabpay Credit is a valuable addition to the Grab ecosystem, offering convenience, flexibility, and rewards. By understanding how it works and using it responsibly, you can unlock a world of seamless transactions and enhance your overall Grab experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.